a great brand story can be your ticket to making big money with your food product.
Developing your individual brand story is one of the most crucial steps a startup or growing food company can take to ensure that customers will want to purchase your products.
Unlike traditional advertising that highlights the facts about your brand and your products, a brand story is meant to inspire emotion in the customer.
What is a brand story? Well, a brand story is a clear and concise description of events that led to you starting your business and is also what continues to drive your mission today.
If you put together a compelling brand story, your audience will remember who you are.
Mhm.
They'll be able to relate to you, care about you, and ultimately they will want to purchase from you.
And what's incredible about a brand story is that no two of them are alike.
Mhm.
Your brand story is unique to you, it's personal to you, it's your special story, and it's exactly what the public is interested in.
In our Recipe for Retail Food Accelerator program, food entrepreneurs come to us with amazing brand stories.
I mean, many of the stories include, like, for example, tales of recipes that were passed down through family generations and all the trials and tribulations that went along with that journey.
We hear stories from people who successfully combated an illness by eating healthy homemade meals, and now they're bringing those dishes to grocery store
I
shelves.
mean, we've heard really interesting brand stories from like immigrants who came to America and they couldn't find authentic food from their home country. So they decided to create it themselves and are now bringing it to market.
What's your brand story? Your unique story is your ticket. Now, if you'd like to learn more details about the process of getting your own food products into retail stores, I want you to click to the right and play the next video in this series. Also, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell so you can get notified when we post new videos. You can also sign up to attend one of our upcoming live free webinar masterclasses.